heard that, it's on the record naman that Mr. Yang was his advisor. And ako, nakatutok din ako sa developments. Nanonood din ako kung ano mangyayari. Ang akin lang kasi, di ba, just like kay former Secretary Harry Roque, iklaro natin kung ano yung accusation and let's make sure kompleto yung facts, di ba? So, kasi hindi mo naman kailangan ng trial by publicity kung klaro yung facts, di ba? So, for me, it's clear saan ang strengths, saan ang weaknesses ng bawat administrasyon, nung last administration. And I really disagreed na, even China, the government of China, ayaw nila ng POGO. They've been lobbying not only sa Pilipinas, but I think, is it Cambodia ba? And parang 3 tayong bansa na sinasabihan talaga nila na wag kayong pumayag dyan. So, of course,